Viking shocks with a 10-inch spring. The adjuster's all the way down as far as you can, and you couldn't get that in. So what I had to do is I tied a strap, went down through there for safety, I guess, back up to the ratchet, and I had the ratchet thing tied here, not using the hooks. I just tied it pretty good knot on both sides and gave it about 4 clicks. And that's the way to get it on. It shrunk down maybe a ½ inch before I was up there, trying to get it on. I did stuff like giant channel locks, C-clamps, bar clamps. I called TRZ up and they said try this. I guess they don't want no liability though, but that's how I did it.